Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's social class. Today we'll see third lesson in geography. Lesson name is atmosphere. Let us see now meaning and importance of atmosphere. Atmosphere is a thin layer of gases, dust particles, and water vapor surrounding the earth. Listen, dear students. What do you mean by atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin layer of gases, dust particles, and water vapor surrounding the earth is called as atmosphere. Got it? This layer of gases forms protective boundary between the outer space and the earth's surface. Listen, dear students. This layer means the atmosphere is an gases forms protective boundary between the outer space and the earth's surface. Got it? The thickness of the atmosphere is around 1000 kilometers. Listen, dear students, the thickness of atmosphere is how many kilometers? Around 1000 kilometers. Got it? Atmosphere is very important for all forms of life on the earth. Different gases of atmosphere help plants, animals, and human beings. Atmosphere traps heat and makes Earth a planet for all the living organisms. The atmosphere is very important for all living organisms like plants, animals, and human beings. Got it? Let us see now composition of atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of different gases, dust particles, and water vapor. Listen, dear students, the atmosphere is a mixture of different gases and dust particles and water vapor. Let us see now what are the important gases are mixed in our atmosphere. Let us see now one by one. The important gases in the atmosphere are nitrogen 78.08%, oxygen 20.94%, and the remaining 1% consists of argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, ozone 0.000005%, etc. These are the different gases mixed in our atmosphere. Got it? This atmosphere also contains dust particles which help us in the formation of water droplets. Got it? The atmosphere also consists of dust particles. The dust particles help us in the formation of water droplets. Got it? The water vapor in the atmosphere is the source of clouds and precipitation. The atmosphere traps heat and energy and has influence on the weather condition of a place. Got it? Let us see now layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere may be divided into 5 important layers on the basis of its characteristics features. The atmosphere can be divided into how many layers? 5 layers on the basis of characteristics features. Got it? Let us see now. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, also called as ionosphere, and exosphere. Let us see now one by one. Before that, observe this picture in page number 186. Layers of the atmosphere. Observe the picture while you're reading. When you're reading the textbook, observe the picture, then you will be getting clarity. Okay. Let us see. First one, troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Listen, the troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Which is the lowest layer in the atmosphere? The troposphere is the lowest layer in the atmosphere. Got it? It extends up to 18 kilometers at the equator and 8 kilometers near the poles. This layer has all the atmospheric elements such as temperature, pressure, winds, clouds, rainfall, etc. Got it? The troposphere consists what kind of elements. What are the elements consists of the troposphere layer? Temperature, pressure, winds, clouds, rainfall, etc. Got it? All weather changes occur in the troposphere. Got it? All the weather changes or climate changes occur in which layer? The troposphere layer. Got it? Temperature and pressure decrease with the increase of altitude. Listen, temperature and pressure decrease with the increase of altitude. Altitude means height. Got it? Altitude means what? Height. Let us see second layer, stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. This layer extends up to 50 kilometers from the surface. Listen, the stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. Got it? First layer troposphere, second one stratosphere. Got it? This layer extends up to 50 kilometers from the surface. It lies between troposphere and mesosphere. Listen, dear students, that stratosphere layer lays between troposphere and mesosphere. Got it? In this layer, ozone is the most important gas which absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun and protect all forms of life on the earth. Listen, the stratosphere layer absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun and protect all forms of living organisms on the earth. Got it? This layer is free from clouds and other important weather phenomena and provides ideal flying condition for jet aircrafts. Listen, the stratosphere layer provides flying condition for jet aircrafts. Got it? Let's see third one, mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It extends up to 80 kilometers from the surface and lies above stratosphere. And this layer, temperature decreases with the increase in the altitude. This layer has the coldest temperature in the atmosphere. Listen, dear students, which is the third layer in atmosphere? The mesosphere is the third layer in the Earth's atmosphere. Got it? Got it, dear students? Okay. And this layer temperature decreases with the increase of altitude. Altitude means height. If you go height, the temperature will be decrease in this layer. In which layer? Mesosphere layer. Got it? And this layer has the coldest temperature in the atmosphere. Got it? Which layer has the coldest temperature in the atmosphere? The mesosphere layer has coldest temperature in atmosphere. Got it? Let's see fourth one. Thermosphere. Thermosphere layer lies next to mesosphere. In this layer, temperature rises drastically. It is also called ionosphere, as the gaseous atoms are ionized due to very high temperature. The ions found in this layer help in reflecting radio waves. Got it, dear students? Listen. Thermosphere layer lies next to mesosphere. It is a fourth layer in Earth's atmosphere. Got it? In this layer, temperature rises drastically. In thermosphere layer, the temperature will be rises drastically, very high. Got it? It is also called ionosphere, as the gaseous atoms are ionized due to very high temperature. This icon found in layer help in reflecting radio waves. The thermosphere, also known as ionosphere layer. Got it? The last one means fifth layer is exosphere. Exosphere is the topmost layer of the atmosphere. In this layer, elements of atmosphere are rare and pressure is extremely low. Listen, dear students, exosphere. Exosphere is the topmost layer of the atmosphere. Which is the topmost layer in the atmosphere? The exosphere is the topmost layer in the atmosphere. Got it? And this layer, elements of atmosphere are rare and pressure is extremely low. Got it? Got it, dear students? This is your lesson. The elements of weather, the remaining in this lesson you not have, because government already reduced, already cut this remaining part. Okay, you not have. Got it? Let us see now. In this lesson today we learned meaning of atmosphere and importance. Then we learned layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere is classified into 5 layers. The atmosphere has how many layers? 5 layers. Let us see one by one. Listen. Troposphere, first one. Second one is stratosphere. Third one is mesosphere. Fourth one thermosphere. Fifth one exosphere. Got it? These are the 5 layers exist in atmosphere. Got it? This is today's lesson. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can call at any time for me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. And today's homework, make any 4 own questions in today's topic. Okay. Got it, dear students? Okay. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Have a nice day.